Dear children, now we are going to see about modification in plants. Plants have evolved throughout time to adapt to the environment in which they grow. In plants, modification occur in roots, stem and leaves. First, we are going to see about root modification. Roots are very important underground parts of the plant. There are two types of roots. They are taproot and fibrous root. Fibrous root is also called as adventitious root. Root help the plant to anchor in the soil and also conduct water and minerals. To perform special functions, the root changes their size and shape. Storage root. Here, tap roots are modified to store food. Example, conical root in carrot, fusiform root in radish, napiform root in beetroot. Next, prop root. Roots which are modified to provide mechanical support is called prop root. Example, banyan tree. Here, roots grow vertically from the horizontal branches of the tree to provide mechanical support. Next, stilt root. Advantageous root arises from the node in cluster which give additional support. Example, sugarcane. Next, climbing root. Nodes and internodes of shoot bear root which help in climbing. Example, money plant and betel. Next, we will see about gaseous exchange root. Root which sit above the ground for the purpose of gaseous exchange is called gaseous exchange root. Example, Avicennia. These roots are erect, have pec-like structure with numerous pores through which air circulates. Next, sucking roots. For example, Cuscuita is a parasite plant, climbs the tree and uses its roots to penetrate the tissue of the host tree and suck the nutrient. Next, elaborately we are going to see about modification of stem. Shoot system consists of erect stem on which leaves, buds and flowers are attached. Leaves are attached to the stem at a point called nodes. The region between two nodes are called as internodes. Aerial stem modification. Phylloclad. In this stem becomes flattened and carries out photosynthesis. Example, cactus and opentia. Subaerial modification. First one is runner. Here, stem grows laterally on the surface of the soil, breaks up to produce a new plant in the ground. Example, centella. Secondly, stolon. Stolon is a slender branch of the stem that grows upwards and bends towards the ground to give rise to new plant. Example, wild strawberry. Thirdly, suckers. Short and weak lateral branches that grows upwards and give rise to new shoot growths. Example, chrysanthemum. Finally, an offset. Offset is a short or thick branch which arises the axial part of the leaf and produces cluster of leaves and roots. Example, Iconia. Underground modification. Rhizome. Modified stem that grows horizontally in underground is called rhizome. It has nodes and internodes. It is irregular in shape. Example, ginger and turmeric. Next, comb. It is a swollen stem base that is modified for storage. Example, colocasia. Tuber. Enlarged spherical underground stem is called tuber. Example, potato. Bulbs. Condensed stem which give rise food in the fleshy scales is called bulbs. Example, onion and garlic.